Good morning, everyone. As we all know about Israel and Iran growing conflict, so here is a question: will Israel-Iran conflict blow up? How it can impact India? So here's my answer. Here you can see, in Times of India today, the answer of this question is being given clearly. So, the consequences for India of a broader regional conflict will perhaps be far greater than those of the war in Ukraine. ओके ये बोला जा रहा है कि इसका असर इंडिया पे बहुत ज़्यादा होगा गिवन इट्स वाइड रेंजिंग इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम एनर्जी टू कनेक्टिविटी, मतलब क्योंकि यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट है हमारा एनर्जी और कनेक्टिविटी के कारण, एंड नॉट लीस्ट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू इंश्योर सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द ऑलमोस्ट 9 मिलियन स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडियन एक्सपेरिएट कम्युनिटी इन द गल्फ, मतलब कि ऑलमोस्ट 9 मिलियन लोग वहाँ पे the Indians living in the region are together the largest source of remittance for India. तो ये एक largest source of remittance भी है. India's import of discounted Russian oil has meant a decrease in the Gulf's share of Indian energy imports, but the region still remains one of the most reliable and largest sources of oil and gas for the country. चाहे हम डिस्काउंटेड रशियन ऑयल मंगवा रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी भी जो गए वो मतलब लार्जेस्ट जो है सोर्स है ऑफ ऑयल गैस फॉर द कंट्री. इंडियाज इम्पोर्ट मोर देन 80% ऑफ इट्स क्रूड नीड्स and will be concerned about any rise in oil prices. India and other traditional buyers have already been paying more because of Europe's decision to source more crude oil from Gulf region. For India, another serious concern would be the likely impact on the India Middle East Europe economic corridor. ठीक है, a transcontinental initiative for economic growth through better connectivity and integration, which was launched in India but has been delayed by the Israel-Hamas conflict. Actions that destabilize the region further augur ill for the future of the project. So, as a country which claim to speak for the global south, India will also be wary of the consequences of another war for the developing world, which has had to bear the brunt of the Ukraine war and disruption the global supply chains. There are also the fear of airfares soars as airlines explore new flight path to avoid airspace that could risk potential pose a risk. So here is why India is likely to get impacted from this war. For more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe.